Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. Today I'll show you 9 ways to fix Touch ID not working on iPhone. Method 1. Clean your iPhone. When using iPhone for a long time, there will be some dirt on your home button, or if you regularly use it with sweaty fingers, it'll also cause the home button not work, so just clean your iPhone often and ensure your fingers are dry whenever you use iPhone. Method 2. Check iPhone case. If you use a screen protector, it might covers your iPhone's home button, then there will be interference and no sensitivity on the screen, so just check the screen protector often. Method 3. Restart iPhone. Just press and hold the power button, or press and hold the power button and the volume button together. You can turn off the iPhone, then wait for about 3 seconds and turn it on. It's the easiest and most direct way to fix iPhone stuck on some problems. Method 4. Re-enable the iPhone unlock and iTunes. Step 1. Go to the settings. Step 2. Tap on Touch ID and passcode. It will prompt you to type in your passcode. Step 3. Then toggle off iPhone unlock and iTunes and App Store as well. Wait for about 3 seconds before you turn on again. Method 5. Delete and re-add Touch ID fingerprints. Step 1. Go to the settings. Step 2. Tap on Touch ID and passcode. It will prompt you to type in your passcode. Step 3. Tap on any finger. Click Delete Fingerprint to remove them. When the fingerprints is wiped, click the Add a Fingerprints to re-add a new one. Method 6. Update iPhone. Step 1. Go to the settings. Find the General. Step 2. Tap Software Update. Step 3. Check for updates and download and install the latest iOS version. Method 7. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Using an iOS repair tool is a remarkable way to fix iPhone Touch ID not work. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Into DFU mode. Follow the 3 steps to put your device into DFU mode. When the Next button is turned blue, then click it to the next step. Step 4. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the download button. If it is complete, tap the repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 8. Downgrade iOS. If your iPhone is not able to keep to the standards of higher versions, it will cause many issues too, so just downgrade your iPhone to a lower version. You'll find that the features become more stable than before. Method 9. Reset all settings of iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings, General. Step 2. Click Reset. Step 3. Click the Erase all content and settings. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.